Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose weight and get in shape watching your LG TV. So just on the home screen, they have this little application called LG Fitness, Life's Good Fitness. So we can click on this and it will bring us to this application where they have a bunch of videos that we can watch that are pertaining to a bunch of different workouts like yoga or HIIT, etc. So this is just the home dashboard where we can just scroll through here. And some of these are very high quality videos. So if I go up, let's go up one more and we can watch this lady I was watching before over here. Energize Your Morning, 21 minutes. And this application is a little bit slow sometimes. Maybe it's just my TV. I'm running low on memory or something like that, just because I have a bunch of things downloaded. But we can click on this. And it seems like it works best if you use your directional pad as opposed to just your clicker or your pointer. So let's click on this video, and it's 21 minutes, and the cinematography for these videos on the home screen are very, very good. And then we can fast forward through here too if we want to skip the intro and just kind of see what she does. And we can go to the different camera settings as well and watch these. So we got the camera axis, big screen, medium screen. So if you got a connected camera, so you can watch yourself if you got your camera connected. So maybe you do video calls or something on here. But we can scroll out through here just under the main dashboard. And one cool thing I liked is it's got all these creators that have videos on LG Fitness. They have the links to their YouTube videos. So if you want to watch more content outside of what's just on here, we can go on down. But you can see different categories like family yoga, fat burning, boxing I think I saw. And there's core training if you want to do some ab workouts. So let's go on down. And this is the section right here. So you're going to see all these women right here, yoga with Cassandra, then you got Burpee Girl, and then there's one guy kind of like this Alex Crawford. He does more like weightlifting stuff. So all the other girls are going to be more like HIIT and yoga kind of style, but he's going to be more like into weightlifting. So this links directly to their YouTube channel. So if you click on one of these videos, you're going to go to YouTube. But right here it says the best 25 dumbbell exercises. So that'd be something I would probably watch. And I can click on his name right here and I can go over to his YouTube channel. And then I'll have to switch on back over to the LG Fitness. So I'm just going to go back to it right here. And then I'm going to go back to the home screen. And I'll show you how to find the different categories now. So up on the top here, we can go to categories. We can go to high intensity, muscular strength, yoga, stretching, cardio. So let's just go to cardio, for example, see what they have listed. So Kickmaster Punch, Taibo stuff. If you remember Taibo back in the day, that's fun. So you got all these different exercises here. Then on the top, we can go to the dashboard. When we watch videos on here, it's going to kind of like tell you the days you worked out and kind of what you did. So you can track your progress on here and maybe what you watched. And they got weekly too, or you can go to all, etc. and you can change it, maybe yearly too. So you got your settings up here for your user if you want to go and mess around with that. But go ahead and just check this out. Some of the videos are very interesting and entertaining. You can actually learn some new exercises. Well, you're just kind of curious. Check it out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.